In order to start making $500 per day using affiliate marketing, you need to put forward the hard work up front. Affiliate marketing is the best because it can be done with little to no investment, and as it grows, affiliate marketing will start generating you passive income. Based on our research, in order for you to start affiliate marketing and see success as fast as possible, you need to follow us till the end of this video. You can make money simply by promoting a company's products or services. Affiliate marketers use their own blog or YouTube channel, website, Facebook groups and pages, email marketing, and similar online presences to run their affiliate marketing program. But how do these companies see what you're doing and pay you? And how can you earn $500 plus by using several affiliate marketing techniques? First, what is affiliate marketing, and what do you do as an affiliate marketer? Affiliate marketing is a process in which a company pays a marketer for generating sales or even leads depending on the arrangement. As an affiliate marketer, you earn a commission each time someone makes a purchase through a unique affiliate link that's connected to you. Getting started with affiliate marketing is easy, but there's a lot of competition. And to stand out, you must be specific about what you are going to talk about and recommend to your audience. So choose a niche and build your brand around it. It helps you build a focused brand and audience who knows what they can expect from you. And when they face an issue or seek guidance related to that topic, they will come to you to find out information or product recommendations and drive your affiliate efforts. For example, you can choose technology as a niche if you love the domain and have some knowledge of it. You can review relevant products like web hosting services, cybersecurity products, SaaS software, and so on. Creating high-quality content is key to a successful affiliate campaign, whether you write a blog or create a YouTube video or IGTV videos. Make sure you put out valuable information that solves your audience's problems and benefits them. Also, promote products and services genuinely that you actually believe in before recommending them to build and make your audience trust you. For example, if you're a beauty blogger, you can review the products that helped enhance your skin or solve skin issues. Once you have started creating good content and built some audience, it's time to drive your traffic so that you can get more people to click on your affiliate links. You can do this by following these ways. Build an email list of your readers or audience. Send them useful information, promotions, newsletters, webinar links, or any other things to entice them to keep visiting your site and witness more sales. Perform search engine optimization or SEO to optimize your web pages so they rank higher in search engines such as Google or YouTube. For this, identify keywords that customers look for, add them strategically into your content, and build links. Use PPC ads, where you pay for site traffic. It is good if you have high-paying affiliate links that have a marketing budget. The affiliate marketing industry is huge. Most of the companies that participate in an affiliate marketing program are not only national, they have a global presence. As you shop these links, looking for the best affiliate programs, remember these key tips before you apply through the site. Choose affiliate products that you already use and love. How much money can you make with affiliate marketing? If your choice and related directly to how much time you can devote to your venture, you can earn a decent income, and you can earn some serious money with recurring commissions. There are thirsty affiliates who are looking to give a hard worker a start affiliate marketing. According to Good Analytics, the affiliate industry will reach $8.2 billion by 2022. The total was $5.4 billion in 2017. The affiliate marketing average income is steadily growing. Commissions range from 5 to 10% of a sale or are paid by a flat rate. In other words, you may make only a few dollars on an inexpensive product, but make much more money on a big-ticket item. It doesn't matter which affiliate network you're on, or even if you've not done affiliate marketing before. When you know these jealously guarded secret techniques, which I'm about to reveal to you, you too can be the next super affiliate marketer. Amazon introduces Amazon Associates program for bloggers, publishers, and content creators to monetize their traffic. Choose from millions of products and use simultaneous links to recommend your audiences. You will earn a certain amount for each qualifying program or purchase. Just sign up and join the community of thousands of bloggers and creators and publish the product details to educate your audience about a product and boost sales. Amazon gives you up to 10% commission for each qualifying purchase and program. You can also customize linking tools to create a unique product link to help visitors directly open the product page. Another amazing platform for affiliate marketers is ShareASale. Monetize your content with the ShareASale affiliate program and create a profitable, long-lasting partnership by recommending relevant services and products to your readers. ShareASale helps content creators and influencers attract more audiences and monetize by partnering with favorite brands. Media partners can also use the affiliate program to manage, build, and find relevant brand partnerships. You can track your affiliate performance through robust and transparent reporting. In addition, attract more customers by giving them back some incentives on their purchases. If you're looking for the best affiliate marketing platform out there, then AWIN is the right choice for you. Promote products or services to your audiences with AWIN's affiliate links and create profitable partnerships with the leading brands. It offers an easy-to-use and intuitive platform with consistent and faster payments. Whether you are a mass media partner, web page owner, blogger, or publisher, connect with the right brands, promote them, and get commission. Generate trackable links easily to share with your audiences. Stay informed about the offers and promotions, and track your performance to improve. You also get advanced tools to optimize your performance. Connect with world-class brands by joining CJ's affiliate marketing program and monetize your content. CJ pairs with innovative solutions and tools with strategic guidance to help you grow your business. You get robust tools to understand your audience and reach out to them with the latest products and offers to enhance user experience. CJ provides strategic recommendations based on distribution model, business size, vertical, and regional. Its intuitive platform helps you start your membership effortlessly to earn a commission on successful purchases. You can also use actionable insights to discover the right brands and the latest tech for growth. Use Deep Link Generator to create links directly from the site or convert existing URLs into links. It offers 2 payouts in a month, and you can track the commissions and historical payouts from the affiliate dashboard. In addition, analyze affiliate performances from commission metrics based on promotional properties and product types. CJ's API offers the flexibility of managing relationships, discovering products, assessing offers, viewing program performance, and promoting products. Join the Rakuten community for free and start earning today. Rakuten works with a variety of stores and redirects you to the product page where you want your audience to buy and earn yourself a commission as cash back. Open a free account within 30 seconds, shop on an extension or app, and grow your cash back. You can withdraw the cash back either via check or PayPal. Rakuten can also make your shopping interesting by letting you earn money while shopping. From restaurants to writing and clothes to electronics, Rakuten finds the best deals for you to shop easily. Shop for a minimum of $25 within 90 days of joining and earn a welcome bonus of $10. Clickbank is one of the leading marketplaces to earn high commissions on quality products. It features over 4,000 quality products from thousands of retailers for affiliate marketing. Clickbank's device-level tracking helps you get paid for each sale. It also assures reliable payment delivery and offers the highest commissions in the affiliate program industry, including CPA and revenue share. Plus, its platform educates new affiliates with in-depth training by experts and a comprehensive library of actionable strategies to grow your affiliate marketing career. Understand your audience choice, partner with the brands, and start your affiliate journey to makemoneywithimpact.com. It lets you monetize your content with the products that match viewers' preferences, track devices, and provides control and flexibility to develop profitable and long-term partnerships. Withdraw your amount once a month on the set day whenever your balance reaches a certain level. Whatever currency you choose, get paid instantly via BACS, PayPal, or direct transfer. You also get custom SMS, email alerts, and insights easily and quickly respond to the changes using campaign reports. I hope this information helps you make good money with affiliate marketing. You can either work directly with a brand or promote their product and service to earn a commission, or choose an affiliate network that appeals to you the most and makes money online while you sleep. This brings us to the end of the video. What do you think about today's video? What do you think about the affiliate marketing job? Share with us in the comment section below, and don't forget to like our video, subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about how you can make money online.